Each day brings new challenges. Moving through your building shouldn't be one of them. You need barrier-free access and smooth, reliable operation. You need EasyAssist, the low-energy swing door operator. EasyAssist is sleek, compact, and simple to set up and use. Its attractive design blends with the look of your building. Door leaf and transom mounting options allow seamless integration into various architectural styles and door applications. EasyAssist's powerful axial flux motor provides years of service while offering several modes of operation. When upgrading your facility, EasyAssist can mount on door leaves using the existing hole patterns from your previous door closer, saving you time and making retrofitting effortless. Unlike other low-energy swing door operators, when installed on the door leaf, EasyAssist's SmartArm enhances security using integrated cabling to deter tampering and damage. And managing and adjusting your EasyAssist is simple with our intuitive mobile app. When you need value-driven, barrier-free access, the choice is easy. EasyAssist, the high-performance, low-energy swing door operator.